In this video, we will show you how to replace your radiator support cover on this Nissan Altima. Order all your parts from oneauto.com. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Open the hood and we'll remove our radiator cover. For this, you'll find that it has several push pins that make their way across. To remove any of the push pins, lift out the center to unlock it and then lift out the outer portion. You can use a trim tool or a small screwdriver. As you remove them, just give them a quick inspection, make sure they are reusable, otherwise you can just go ahead and replace them. Now we can take hold of this and remove it from the vehicle. With that out of place, we'll move along to removing the hood prop holder. Go ahead and turn this over. Have a look at the back side. You'll find that you have two locking ears. Squeeze those in and remove the piece. And now we can insert this in the new cover. All right, let's get this aligned. Press it in. Listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it is secure. It should be able to wobble around a little bit, but not lift up and out. We'll get this in position and put in all of our push tabs. Now, don't forget to order all your parts from oneauto.com. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.